20 travel hacks that will transform your adventures. First on our list, pack your clothes in a roll instead of folding them. This saves space and prevents wrinkles. It's a win-win. Secondly, use a pill container to store your jewelry. This keeps your precious items organized and prevents them from getting lost. Thirdly, stash emergency cash in an empty lip balm container. It's a hidden spot that thieves would never think to look. The fourth hack is to use Google Maps offline. Simply download the map of your destination while you have Wi-Fi and you can use it anytime, anywhere. Fifthly, use a binder clip to protect the head of your shaving razor. It's a simple solution that prevents any nasty nicks in your luggage. For our sixth hack, take a snapshot of your important documents like your passport or ID. If you lose them, you have a backup on your phone. Seventh on our list is to bring a multi-USB charger. This way, you can charge multiple devices at once, saving you valuable time. Our eighth hack is to use the fragile sticker trick. Mark your baggage as fragile to ensure it's handled with care. And often, it will be placed on top of other luggage, meaning it comes out first at baggage claim. Ninthly, pack a small first aid kit. You never know when you might need a Band-Aid or some antiseptic. For our 10th hack, remember to download your airline's app. You can check in, download your boarding pass, and get real-time updates on your flight. 11th, use packing cubes. They're a lifesaver when it comes to staying organized and maximizing suitcase space. 12th, we recommend learning a few basic phrases in the local language. It shows respect and can help you in a pinch. 13th, always bring a scarf or pashmina. It serves as an extra layer, a makeshift towel, or even a blanket on chilly flights. 14th, use a digital luggage scale to avoid extra baggage fees. It's small, handy, and can save you a lot of money. 15th, always pack a snack. Delays happen and having a snack can keep hunger at bay. Our 16th hack is to carry a portable door alarm for extra security in your hotel or Airbnb. 17th, remember to put your room number and hotel address in your phone. It's easy to forget, especially if you're jet-lagged. 18th, use travel-size containers to bring your favorite products without taking up too much space. 19th, bring a reusable water bottle. Stay hydrated and save money on expensive airport water. And finally, our 20th hack is to always have a photocopy of your passport. It's a lifesaver if you lose your passport or it gets stolen. So there you have it, 20 travel hacks that can make your journeys more efficient and enjoyable. From packing tips to safety measures, these hacks cover it all. So next time you're planning a trip, remember these hacks and travel like a pro.